Why is it important to understand your strengths, right? Like, there are so many different things, and I've touched on this a little bit, but as you are pursuing career paths or opportunities cross your way, it's so helpful when you know who you are and you know what you're naturally good at. That will help to give you guidance on what you should say yes and no to.
Highlights, sometimes we're so unique. We have all these different strengths in this room. So if you're not sure about that, their strengths are other strengths. So they're going to help you find those, and you're going to be able to help them with the strengths that you have.
Right? So the quality of relationships in your life, not only within your family, but your circle, right? Like who you spend your time with, but most importantly, the relationship that you have with yourself.